FPV Preach. Gym Fan 40mm prop. Doing a high wind test with the Fractal Pro Max light frame kit. Yeah, wind high wind. The tree toppers though, they seem to do pretty good with high wind. Depending on your piloting skills. High wind, high wind, high wind. Fractal 75 Pro Max Light Frame Kit. Woo-wee, the wind is strong today. It's difficult. The Gorilla Whoop review. What are we reviewing? I have no idea. Frames and propellers and batteries, Rotor Riot, and I don't know. It's too cold. It's freezing cold. It's cold, extreme cold will mess with these batteries. As you can see, flight time a little better on the 500, but was not so great on the 450. And normally those Weebly 450 with the lead is like the best battery known, I believe. They're really good. Y'all stay charged up. It's too cold. I'll see you on Velocidrone tonight. Shout out to Vegan Slacker, Perk, Unreality. That's it right there. You know, I'll tell you this setup. I'm gonna say that I guess like Slacker, the Fractal is probably my go-to rig also.